Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Sandi Aditya Irawan with the Information System Study Program. Here I will present assessment with 6 different topics. Okay, introduction. Here there are 6 topics that I will explain, including computer network, steganography, cryptography, internet, email, and artificial intelligence or AI. Computer network. Definition of computer network. A computer network is a system consisting of interconnection computers that are designed to share resources, communicate, and access information collectively. It allows computers to share data, software, and hardware, and enable users to interact and communicate with each other. According to experts such as Max Dong, a computer network is a collection of several computers and other supporting equipment that are connected in one unit and interconnected. Types of network. LAN or local area network. A network limited to a small area such as an office or school. WAN or wide area network. A network covering a larger area such as a city or country. MAN or Metropolitan Area Network, a network covering a metropolitan area. WLAN or Wireless Local Area Network, a wireless network used to connect devices wirelessly. Next, network topology. Bus topology, a network using one main cable to connect a device. Star topology, a network using a central hub to connect all devices. Ring topology, a network using a ring separate cable connection all devices. And mesh topology, a network using complex interconnection cables. Next, there is network protocol, TCP or IP, a protocol used to connect devices on the internet. HTTP, a protocol used to access website. FTP, a protocol used to share files. And UDP, a TCP or IP transport which can support unreliable communication without a connection between hosts in a TCP or IP network. Next, network security. Authentication, namely, is a process to ensure that only authorized users can access the network. Encryption, namely, is a process to convert data into code so it cannot be read by unauthorized parties. Firewall, namely, is a security system used to protect the network from cyber attacks. In summary, computer networks are essential in daily life, whether in education, business, or entertainment. Next, here I will explain about steganography. Definition of steganography. Steganography is a technique for hiding data within another form of data, such as a text, image, videos, or audio, so that the hidden data cannot be detected by others. The term steganography comes from the Greek word steganos, meaning hidden, and graph, meaning writing. Steganography is used to avoid detection of secret messages in electronic communication. Okay, it's here sample of steganography. Text, namely, is text that can be hidden within ordinary text by changing characteristic or word into coded forms. Image, namely, image that can be hidden within ordinary image by altering pixel color or size. Videos, video data can be hidden within ordinary videos by altering frames or size. And the last, audio, audio data can be hidden within ordinary audio by altering frequency or size. Next, software of steganography. OpenStego, namely, is an open source tool for performing steganography. Then SEO steganography, namely, is a tool for hiding secret files within BMP image or WAP files. Then image steganography, namely, is a JavaScript tool for hiding images within other image file. And the last, Crypture, namely, is a command line tool for performing steganography. Next, use of steganography. The first one there, data security. Steganography is used to protect data from unauthorized access. Then confidentiality, namely, is steganography helps maintain the confidentiality of electronic communication. And last, legitimate use, namely, is steganography is also used in legitimate applications such as storing sensitive data. Next, there is aspect in steganography. The first one there, imperceptibility, namely, is the presence of the hidden message should not be perceptible visually or audibly. Then fidelity, namely, is the quality of the cover object should not significantly change due to embedding the hidden message. Then recovery, namely, is the hidden message should be recovered. And the last, sapacity, namely, is the size of the hidden message should be select as possible. Next, there is steganography case study. In a study case, researchers proposed a new source steganography technique for safe communication between sender and receivers. The steps followed by the sender are follows. The first one there, the sender followed 2 steps, and the last, the sender embeds the hidden message into an image or another file using a secure steganography technique. Next, there is cryptography. Definition of cryptography. Cryptography is the study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of third-party adversaries. The term cryptography comes from the Greek word cryptos, meaning hidden, and graphia, meaning writing. Cryptography is used to protect information from unauthorized access by converting plain text into unreadable keysters through encryption. Next, there is types of cryptography. The first one there, symmetric cryptography, namely, is use the same key for both encryption and decryption. Example include DES or data encryption standard and AES or advanced encryption standard. And last, asymmetric cryptography, namely, use a pair of keys, one public and one private. The public key is used for encryption, while the private key is used for decryption. Next, there is benefit of cryptography. The first one there, confidentiality, namely, is ensure that only authorized parties can view the information. Then integrity, protects data from tampering or alteration. Then authenticity, verifies the identity of the sender or entity. And last, secure transaction, namely, is protect financial transaction and personal data. Okay, there is encryption and decryption process. The first one there, encryption, namely, is the process of encoding in the form of a code or message from plain text or text that can be understood into a code that cannot be understood or ciphertext. And the last, description, namely, is the process of changing information in the form of ciphertext in plain text. Okay, here there is difference encryption and description. Encryption. Encryption is the process of translating plain text data or plain text into something that operates random and meaningless or ciphertext. And last, description. Description is the process of converting ciphertext back to plain text. Okay, next we go to internet material. Internet. Definition of internet. The internet is a global network of interconnected computer and server that communicates with each other using standardized protocol. The term Internet comes from the Latin words inter, meaning between, and net, meaning network. Therefore, the Internet can be defined as a network of billions of computers worldwide. Next, there is types of Internet. The first one there, dial of Internet, namely is use a modem to connect to the Internet via a phone line. Then, broadband Internet, namely is use fixed-speed connection like DSL, cable, or fiber optic to provide faster speed. And last, the wireless Internet, namely is use Wi-Fi or cellular network to connect device wirelessly. Okay, next protocol used in Internet. The first one there, TCP or IP, or Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, namely is the fundamental protocol suite that governs how data is transmitted over the Internet. Then HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, namely is used for transferring data over the web. And last, FTP or File Transfer Protocol, namely is used for transferring file between computer. Okay, next there is benefit of Internet. The first one there, global connectivity. The Internet connects people worldwide, enabling communication and information exchange. Then access to information, namely is the Internet provides vast amounts of information on various topics. And the last, education. Education, namely is the Internet offers numerous educational resources and tools. Okay, the next drawback of Internet. Anything does anyone know? The first one there, cybersecurity risks. The Internet poses risks such as hacking, phishing, and malware attacks. Then information overload, namely is the sheer amount of information available can be overwhelming. And the last, defense on technology, namely is over-reliance on technology can lead to social isolation and decreased face-to-face integration skill. Okay, next, impacts on society. The first one there, economic growth, namely is the Internet has significantly contributes to economic growth by enabling e-commerce and remote work opportunities. Then social change. Social change, namely is the Internet has transformed social interaction with platforms like social media and message apps. And the last, educational opportunities. The Internet has expanded educational opportunities by providing access to online sources and resources. Next, there is email. Does anyone know email? Okay, definition of email. Email is an electronic mail system that allows users to send and receive digital messages over the Internet. The term email is a shortened form of electronic mail. Email has several advantages that make it a popular means of modern communication. Next, there is function of email. The first one, sending and receiving messages, namely is email enables user to send and receive electronic messages. Then sending files. Email allows user to send various types of files such as document, photo, video, and more. Plus, sending information. Email is used for sending detailed and complex information. Next, there is types of email. The first one, bulk mail or post office protocol, namely is a type of email that uses an email server for sending and receiving email. Then webmail, namely is a type of email that can be accessed through a web browser without needing a specific application. Plus forward mail. Forward mail name is a type of email that allows user to forward email to other email address. There is how email works. The first one, writing an email, namely is a user read email using an email application or webmail service. Then sending an email, namely is the email is sent over the internet to the recipient email address. Last, and the receiving an email, namely is the recipient receives the email and can read it using an email application or webmail service. Okay, next, advantage of email. The first one, speed and efficiency. Email allow for very fast and efficient communication compared to traditional mail. Then ease of use. Namely, email can be accessed easily on various devices such as computer, smartphone, and tablets. And last, time saving. Namely, is email save time because it does not require waiting for traditional mail delivery. Okay, let's get to the list material. Yes, there is artificial intelligence or AI. Definition of artificial intelligence or AI. Artificial intelligence or AI is the study of making machine capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing images, and making decisions. The term AI comes from the phrase artificial intelligence, which refers to the creation of intelligent machines that can think and learn like humans. Okay, there is function of AI. The first one, expert system, namely AI is used to create systems that can provide advice and answer based on pre-programmed knowledge. Then speech recognition. AI is used to recognize and interpret human speech. Last, computer vision. Namely is AI is used to recognize and interpret images and videos. That is how it works. The first one, data usage. Namely, AI uses a large dataset to learn and make decisions. Then data analysis. Data analysis, namely is AI analyze data to find patterns and relationships. And last, decision making. Namely is AI use algorithms to make decisions based on data analysis. Next steps of AI. The first one, symmetric AI. Namely is use the same key for encryption. Then asymmetric AI. Namely is use a public key for encryption. Then machine learning. Namely is a subset of AI that enable machine to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. And last, deep learning. Deep learning, namely, is a subset of machine learning that use complex neural network to analyze data. Okay, next, application of AI. The first one, chatbots. Chatbots name is system that can interact with humans through text or speech. Then monitoring system. Monitoring system is a system that can monitor the condition of a system or device. And last, selection system. Selection system, namely a system that can select the best option based on available data. Next, impact of AI. The first one, increased efficiency, namely is AI can increase efficiency in various fields such as business and industry. Then improved quality of life. Is AI can improve human quality of life by providing more accurate and faster information. And last, dependence on technology. AI can make humans dependent of technology and reduce human thinking abilities. Okay, so here is the conclusion. The world of technology is currently developing very rapidly and significantly, helping to make human survival easier, especially in the field of communication. Information and communication technology has changed various aspects of life, including means of change and financial system. This development also gave birth to social media which allow more flexibility and varied interaction and socialization. However, it is important to use technology wisely to avoid losses and maintain dignity security. Okay everyone, that's all for my presentation. I hope what I said can be useful. More or less, I'm sorry. Thank you.